Hey there, this is Thomas from replient.ai and we got some great updates this week. So let's jump in. The first one is we translated our whole platform into several languages. So whether you're using German, Spanish, French, Chinese, Romanian as your main language, just switch it in your account settings and you can see that when you switch to one language, all of the menu items, all automation stuff will be auto-translated to your language that you set in your account. If you notice any inconsistency with translations, just write us in the live chat and we will happily fix those. This would be greatly appreciated if you got any feedback on this. And as for another great feature, we added media tags. So you now got the tag image and video for your comments. So you can tag your comments by images. So you will only see images that were sent to you or your page. So, and another great thing is that we also now do AI analysis for images. So if someone sends you like a spam image or something against your brand, it will be tagged accordingly now. And before it was always like the not sure tag. So it will be tagged correctly now. So if there is any spam comment that is just an image, we will now also protect your brand and hide those comments from your channels. This is one great thing. So just filter by images or videos just to get an overview of how many images you got in the past. And what's also great is you can download user-generated content from replient.ai and maybe use that in your posting strategy or in some kind of ads that you maybe trying to do if there is like a product shoot or product photo that has been commented on any of your page. So this is like a very powerful feature. And the last thing is in the Learning tab, we added a switch here to move the DMs automatically to done if they were answered or liked. So this is basically in the direct messages, there is the setting. So when you hit a reply, normally the conversation will automatically jump to the done section when you answer. And you can override this now with the switch in the Learning tab. So it will stay in the Open tab and you need to manually move it over to the Done tab. This is very helpful if you're using it like we are. So for replient.ai, we disabled this feature because we want to keep all of our leads in our Open tab to kind of re-engage with them. And if the conversation is then finished, we can always click the check mark so it moves to done. So this is also a very nice feature that a lot of customers wanted. So I hope you enjoy this one. If you have any more recommendations what we should build next, just comment on this video or write us a message in live chat. We will gladly sort it out for you. And see you next week when we get the next feature updates for replient.ai. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day and see you soon.